I have a Bosch refrigerator and the display says IWD off. Freezer and refrigerator are working fine, as is ice maker. I think this may have happened when someone was cleaning outside of fridge. How do I turn it on? The temperature is showing, none of the buttons work.
Can you guesstimate how old your Bosch is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
B22CS. Probably 4 years? Maybe 5?
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I was hoping it was just a matter of turning something back on.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I tried unplugging hoping to reset, but that didn't work.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. IWD off means the ice maker will stop making ice, which is why you haven't noticed the problem since it just happened. Either way, all you need to do is press and hold the freezer and super buttons for 5 seconds, and that should remove the IWD off signal. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.